Hello, Surajit Saikia. Can you hear me?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. You're perfectly audible.
Okay, just wait for a few minutes. Just checking our sounds.
Okay, no problem.
So it's
hello, Surajit.
Okay, sir.
ମୋ voice তো
শুনছো স্যার
ঠিক আছে থ্যাংক ইউ ঠিক আছে
hello Sarkar sir, can you start now?
Yes, Sabna. It's 9:30 dot and all have joined.
Okay, sir. Good morning and warm welcome to present everyone. Myself, Dr. Swapna Bora, and my colleague Iqbal Ahmed, we are present here in TLC to welcome you all for this workshop on use of ICT tools for effective teaching, organized by Teaching Learning Center, Tezpur University in association with IQAC Gorgaon College. We are very happy to inform you that this is our 61st program of Teaching Learning Center, and in this academic year we are going to start our program with this activity program. So today in this inaugural session we have among us Professor Subhranshu Shekhar Sarkar, Director of Teaching Learning Center, Tezpur University, Principal of Gorgaon College, Dr. Sabyasachi Mahanta, Coordinator of IQAC Gorgaon College, Dr. Surajit Saikia, and all the teacher fraternity of Gorgaon College. We would like to start our inaugural session, and first of all, I would like to request Coordinator of IQAC, Surajit Saikia. Please, Surajit Saikia.
Yes, madam.
So we will you start the session with Director Sir's speech or Principal Sir's speech?
Yes, the Principal Sir is going to start.
Okay. So I request Principal Sir to start the session. Welcome the participants.
Thank you so much, Dr. Swapna Bora. Very good morning to you all. I would like to welcome you all to the two-day workshop on use of ICT tools for effective teaching that has been organized by the Teaching and Learning Center, Tezpur Central University in association with the IQAC Gorgaon College. And I would like to offer my sincere gratitude to the Teaching and Learning Center of Tezpur University for collaborating with us, collaborating with the IQAC Gorgaon College to organize this two-day workshop. ICT, Information and Communication Technology, and ICT, which has become a part of our life, is now broadly used in the world of education. It has already become the important and modern tool in teaching learning process. Nowadays, ICT has become a core in the teaching learning process, and of late, due to pandemic caused by COVID-19, has brought a huge change in the teaching learning process. Looking at the present situation, it has become the need of the hour to opt for the online mode of education in teaching learning process. So ICT has become more important for the whole process of teaching and learning and educational system as well as. Role of the teacher is very important in use of ICT in teaching learning process. So teachers need to continuously upgrade their skills and keep update themselves with the latest developments and best practices. Thus, this two days workshop is an endeavor on our part to upgrade the skills of our teacher in using ICT tools in teaching for teaching and learning process. I hope this workshop would be highly beneficial for our teacher, and I again offer my sincere thanks to the Teaching and Learning Center of Tezpur Central University and the coordinator of the IQAC Gorgaon College, Dr. Surojit Soikia, and the coordinator of the workshop, Dr. Dilip Kumar Deka, and assistant coordinator of the workshop, Dr. Boluram Das, for their excellent workshop, initiative to organize this two-day workshop to enhance the skills of our teacher. And I hope this would be a grand success. Wish you all the best. I welcome you all to the two-day workshop and hope this would be a grand success and our teacher would be highly benefited by this two-day workshop on the use of ICT tools for effective teaching. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your speech. We also hope that this program is going to benefit all the teachers of Gorgaon College. Now, I would like to request Professor Subhrangshu Shekhar Sarkar, sir, to speak on this occasion.
Sir, you are muted.
Thank you, Dr. Sapna, for initiating the program. Thank you, Dr. Sabyasachi Mahanta, the Honorable Principal of Gorgaon College, Dr. Surojit Soikia, the Director IQAC, Dr. Deka, Dr. Das, and of course Nilutpal, who started the discussion with us on this particular training program. It is our also very a fortune that we are in association with Gorgaon College, starting this particular series of program on that is teaching learning. It is a 61st program in the performance of TLC Tezpur University, and this program is designed in consultation with the Director IQAC of Teaching Gorgaon College, where we made it a bit flexible so that teachers can participate in the discussion. Teachers can see or watch the videos, also participate in the live sessions accordingly. So it is the use of ICT in teaching. As Mahanta sir has already told that this COVID-19 pandemic has given us a big challenge. And now I am talking to you in front of the camera, and also we do it for the students also all the time. It's a new challenge, of course, that how to teach online. I was just going through the various aspects of Gorgaon College, and Gorgaon College is in the a historical place in the region. So we are very grateful that we could associate with you for this particular program, and I hope that at the end of 2 days, when certain things will be exchanged with you, all of us will be benefited. It is not a one-sided discussion, because many things are to learn from you, and that's why whatever we learn from you definitely will help us also in enhancing the program. The challenges of online teaching, every day now we are facing. Actually, we are not trained for that. আমি যেতিয়া আৰম্ভ কৰিছিলো টিচিং, আমাক এনেকে কোনো ধৰণৰ আমাৰ এনেকে ট্ৰেইনিংও নাছিলে যে অনলাইন টিচিং কৰিব লাগিব. Suddenly, because in 2020 March it came, and we all learned that how to teach online. This is the program. Number first is the e-content development, যেটো আমাৰ সবতকে ডাঙৰ কথা. যেতিয়া আমি ক্লাছত যাওঁ, যেতিয়া পঢ়াও, সেইটো এনভায়ৰনমেন্ট বেলেগ হয়. তাতে ষ্টুডেণ্টজনক লগ পালো, গোটেই ষ্টুডেণ্টখিনিক পালো, কথা পাতিলো, একেলগত ক্লাছত ডিসকাস কৰি আছো. But in this online teaching, it is not like that. It is some kind of distance teaching. অকণমান distance learning or নিচিনা বস্তুটো হৈছে. So that's why যেতিয়া মই কথা পাতিম, যেতিয়া তেওঁলোকক কিবা বস্তু শিকাম, এটা বস্তু আমাক লাগিব যে কন্টেন্ট ডেভেলপমেন্ট সাইড বাই সাইড আমি কৰিছো নে নাই, যাতে স্টুডেন্ট খিনিয়ে যেটু আমি কম যিখিনি কথা কৈ আছো সিহঁতে যাতে একে সেন্সত বুজি পায়। Lecturing before camera, it's of course a very big challenge to us. Zoom is a bit better because we could see all the things along with the slides. Now in Google Meet, what are happening as I am showing the slides, I cannot see myself. So ইয়াত কেইটামান প্ৰবলেম আছে আৰু সেম টু সেম আপোনালোকে গম পায় আৰু ষ্টুডেন্টে অন কৰি লয়, অন কৰি ক্লাছত থাকে নাথাকে, কি কৰে আমি একো গমেই নাপাওঁ। যদি কিবা কেতিয়াবা খুদু, যদি আনসাৰ নাহে তেতিয়া গম পাওঁ যে the name is there but the person may not be there. So it's a challenge lecturing before camera. Student attention কেনেকে পাম আমি, কি ধৰণত পাম? ক্লাছত বহিলে ফিজিক্যালি বহি থাকিলেও মানুহে মেন্টালি অ্যাবসেন্ট হৈ থাকে। আমি তো কওঁ যে ইউ আর ফিজিক্যালি প্রেজেন্ট বাট মেন্টালি অ্যাবসেন্ট। কিন্তু ইয়াত যেতিয়া ক্যামেৰাৰ আগত আমি পঢ়াই আছো, আমি স্টুডেন্ট অ্যাটেনশনটো কেনেকে ড্ৰ কৰিম, দ্যাট ইজ অ্যানাদাৰ চ্যালেঞ্জ। এটা মই এটা মুক্স কোর্স এটা দি আছো ইয়াতে নর্থ ইষ্ট মানে ডাইরেক্ট টেক্সৰ ওপৰত। তো ইয়াত এটা ডাঙৰ কথা হয় কি ডিসকাশন ফোৰাম। আপোনালোকৰ ৱেবছাইটটো মই চালো, খুব এক্টিভ, ভাল লাগিছে দেখি পেলাই। সো নাইসলি ডিজাইনড এন্ড সো মাচ ইনফরমেটিভ। ডিসকাশন ফোরাম অলপমান এটা মানুহ ষ্টুডেন্টৰ মাজত এটা ক্ৰিয়েট কৰি দিব লাগে কালচাৰ, যে ভাই এই সাবজেক্টত এই ক্লাছখিনি হৈছিল আৰু মই অলপ এইখিনি বস্তু শিকিব বিচাৰিছিলো বা এইখিনি বস্তু বিচাৰি পোৱা নাই, ভালকে অলপমান ক'ব নেকি। Discussion forum can be through website. You can design a page where students can post question, or discussion forum can be in the WhatsApp group. Whatever the case may be, let us encourage the students to participate in the discussion forum so that the interaction is a bit better. More আৰু বেছি ফিলিং হৈছে কি থাৰ্সডে আৰু ফ্ৰাইডে আমি ইয়াতে ইন্টাৰভিউ পাতিলো আমাৰ MBA ষ্টুডেন্টৰ এডমিশনৰ কাৰণে। যিখিনি ষ্টুডেন্ট এইবাৰ 2020 পাস কৰিলে, বিকজ দেয়াৰ 6th semester was online, সিহঁতৰ লাৰ্নিংটো সেই হিচাপতে অলপমান এফেক্ট হৈ গৈছে। তাৰ মানে লাৰ্নিংটো যেনেকে হোৱা উচিত এই হিচাপত হোৱা নাই। নেচাৰেল, আমি টিচাৰ হিচাপেও জানো, ষ্টুডেণ্টও জানে। সেইকাৰণে আমাৰ চ্যালেঞ্জ হ'ল ডাঙৰকে যে ভাই কি ধৰণত আমি ষ্টুডেণ্টখিনিক কণ্টেণ্টখিনি ভালকে বুজাব পাৰো। ডিসকাশন ফোরাম অলপমান যদি এনকারেজ করা হয়, ইন দ্যাট কেস ইট ক্যান বি এ গুড টুল। অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স ম্যানেজমেন্ট, মই ডক্টর স্বপ্না কৈছো যে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স ম্যানেজমেন্টৰ কিবা এটা অলপ ক'বলে, দ্যাট হাউ ডু ইউ গো ফৰ দি অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স ম্যানেজমেন্ট। গুগল মিটত এটা এড অন আছে য'ৰ পৰা অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটো অটোমেটিক মনিটৰ কৰি থাকিব পাৰি। সো অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স ইজ অলসো ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট। যে আমি ভাবো যে ঠিক আছে ষ্টুডেণ্টটো যদি আছে কিবা এটা শুনি আছে, যদি এটলিষ্ট অলপ হ'লেও অলপমান নলেজ তেওঁলোকৰ গৈছে। Then comes the record keeping. At one point of time, we may be asked that how we have taken the classes, what are the classes, on which day we have taken the class. আমাৰ তেজপুৰ ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিত অলপমান এইটো একাউণ্টেবিলিটিটো আছে আৰু চব টিচাৰে এনেকুৱা জমা দিব লাগে এটা লিংক বা কি ধৰণত হৈছিল। So record keeping is also very important. And the biggest challenge is the evaluation. কি ধৰণৰ evaluation কৰিম ষ্টুডেন্ট জনক। Online evaluation is the biggest challenge, and that's why everywhere the discussion is going on whether the final examination can be online or not. কি ধৰণত আমি evaluationটো কৰিম। আমি তেজপুৰ ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিত কোনো ধৰণত আমি চলাইছো আৰু অনলাইনটো, because we can do, because our students are limited. আমাৰ এটা প্ৰগ্ৰামৰ ষ্টুডেন্ট 20টা 30টা তেনে ধৰণত থাকে। So we can somehow monitor, we can take Viva, we know each student in a better way. But this is not possible in your case. This is not possible in Dibrugarh University's case. Then how to go for evaluation? বহুত কেইটামান ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিজ আছে, ধৰক বিটছ পিলানি আমাৰ ইয়াতে ষ্টুডেন্ট পঢ়ি আছে, সিহঁতে প্ৰক্টৰ ছফটৱেৰ লৈছে। প্ৰক্টৰ ছফটৱেৰত কি হ'ব, পৰীক্ষাটো দি থাকিব। If someone moves the head like this, so there will be wording. So if 3-4 times the student moves the head like this, then he will be barred from taking the examination. So proctor software teneke koribo pari, যদি স্টুডেন্ট খিনিও তেনে ধৰণত হয় বাট আৱাৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টছ আৰ ভেৰাইড আমাৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট এনেকে গাঁৱৰ ভিতৰত আছে প্ৰত্যন্ত অঞ্চলত য'ত তাৰ কানেক্টিভিটি ভালকে নাই then how can I expect that that student will sit for the proctored examination? The BITS pillar student, ভাল student সব জায়গা তেনেকে ধৰণত আছে এইবিলাক পইচালা ঘৰৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী সিহঁতে পাৰে but in our case we cannot do any policy which I make I have to see that poorest of the poor family no that তাৰ লগত হি এইখিনি বস্তু পাৰিব না নাই এনে ধৰণৰ পলিচি বনাম so evaluation is the great challenge আপোনালোকে অলপমান ভাবিব পাৰে আৰু আপোনালোকে অলপমান কন্ট্ৰিবিউট কৰিব পাৰে যে কি ধৰণত হ'ব লাগে কাৰণ we are trying that there is no loss of academic year যাতে academic year to loss নহয় আমি বৃহস্পতি শুক্ৰবাৰে বহুত ষ্টুডেন্ট পালো যিবিলাকে এপ্লাই কৰিছিল এমবিএত কমাম বুলি পিজি লেভেলত কিন্তু এতিয়া গম পালো সিহঁতৰ 5th সেমিষ্টাৰে পৰীক্ষা হোৱা নাই কিন্তু সিহঁতে এপ্লিকেশন কৰাৰ টাইমত ভাবিছিলে সিহঁতে হৈ যাব বিকজ দেয়াৰ ইজ এ প্ৰভিশনাল এডমিশন সিস্টেম এতিয়া কি হল এইখিনি ষ্টুডেন্ট 5th সেমিষ্টাৰে দিয়া নাই এতিয়ালৈকে তেওঁলোকে 5th সেমিষ্টাৰ পৰীক্ষা হ'ব 6th সেমিষ্টাৰ পঢ়িব then 6th semester পৰীক্ষা দিব তাৰ পিছত ক্লিয়াৰ হ'ব then they will be eligible to join a PG course but we are starting from July so now these students are not eligible actually evaluation to আমি কৰিব পৰা নাই এতিয়ালৈকে আপোনালোকে অলপ কন্ট্ৰিবিউট কৰিব পাৰে ইয়াতে and of course ensuring quality of teaching and learning আমি এতিয়া এই ট্ৰেইনিং প্ৰগ্ৰামটো কৰি আছো দুদিনীয়া ট্ৰেইনিং প্ৰগ্ৰাম কিন্তু আমি অলপ স্প্ৰেড কৰি দিছো as per request of Dr. Saikia that আমি অলপ আপডেট স্প্ৰেড কৰি দিছো so যাতে ইয়াৰ পিছত quality of teaching and learning যাতে অলপমান আমি ইমপ্ৰুভ কৰিব পাৰো যে ভাই গড়গাঁও কলেজত ষ্টুডেন্ট পঢ়িছে so yes the online teaching quality is much higher and they ensure effective learning now lead me darkness to the ignorance everywhere the darkness is there now let us go from the darkness of ignorance to the light of knowledge Tamashama Jatirgamaya please enjoy the sessions and be in touch with the Google Classroom as well as WhatsApp group Dr. Sapna will be uploading the videos as well as we'll have interactive sessions time to time so please take part and also be in touch with us so that we can have a very effective learning during the session. Thank you very much. Thank you for the patient hearing.
Thank you, sir, for discussing about the challenges of online teaching. I hope that teacher will go through this recorded sessions of our and they will try to overcome the challenges of online teaching. In this, after these sessions, I think all of you have gone through the schedule that we are sharing in Google Classroom. So from 10 o'clock onwards, we will have pre-recorded sessions that will be uploaded in the Google Classroom. And we will also likely to share the links in WhatsApp group so that you can get the information of the classes at what time it will be uploaded. And I request all of you to get connect with the Google Classroom for the upcoming sessions or any announcement that we are going to make in classroom. So in the first session, we will have session on Google Classroom. There will be 4 recorded lectures and the session will be conducted by me. And after watching the sessions, I request all of you, more or less, you have already have your own Google Classrooms. But here in this session, we are discussing some of the elaborate techniques and evaluation systems through Google Classroom so that you can apply in your own classes with your students. After that, we have session by my colleague Iqbal Ahmed. He will also share the practical experiences and the techniques of preparing e-content for in 4-quadrant approach of UGC. So today we will have these 2 sessions. and according to the schedule, we will go ahead. And after that, we will also share some activities so that you can have your hand-on practice by watching our session. In these days, you can watch the videos according to your own time. You can have your time and you can practice as of your own. And after that, we request you to submit the activities in Google Classroom. We will evaluate those. And don't worry, we will not going to grade your activities, but we will just check your improvements. And these are like the feedback that we are going to get, that yes, you have to this extent, to some extent, you have prepared the activities, you have gone through our videos, because there is no criteria of getting the attendance of who are attending our recorded sessions or who are not going to attend. So the activities that you are going to submit will be only the criteria. Here for the certification, about the certification also, Iqbal, I request Iqbal to say a few words on that.
Good morning, everyone. Dear respected Director Sir and the Principal, Gargaon College, and Coordinator of IBSC Gargaon College, my dear colleague Swapna Bora, and my colleagues from Gargaon College. So at the end of this workshop, we'll issue a certificate of completion to all the active participants. But this may take 1 or 2 days, because after going through all your activities, we'll issue a Google form to collect your information, correct information to issue the certificate. So after compiling the list, it will be approved by both the director of TLC and the principal of Gargaon College. Then the list will be uploaded to NMTT portal of the Ministry of Education. Then we'll issue the certificates, e-certificates in online mode. The certificates will be sent to the designated email of the participants. So this is the process. This may take a few days, maybe 2-3 days after the completion of the workshops. Thank you.
Thank you, Iqbal. Now I request Coordinator of IQAC Gargaon College, Dr. Surojit Saikia, to speak a few words in this occasion. And also, I think we are coming to the end of the inaugural session. So please, Saikia.
Good morning, everyone. So we are planning in the coming session. We know that due to pandemic, we are facing different type of problems related to our physical classes. So that is why we are planning to organize one workshop so that we'll learn some new techniques about e-contents, etc., etc. So at first we contact Dr. Shubhangshu Shekhar Sarkar sir, and he responded positively. And accordingly, we are planning this program. We have some technical difficulties. We have already discussed about these workshops. So we will move forward in the coming days and we'll discuss about the technical difficulties with Shubhangshu Shekhar sir. And we are hoping that we will learn different techniques of e-contents or online classes from TLC Tezpur. And we are in the coming days also, this is the beginning of the collaboration between TLC and Gargaon College. In the coming days, we are also going to organize some new programs related to e-contents. We are thinking that in 2 days we may not fulfill all the requirements, but in the coming days, we are hoping that we will fulfill the demands of our teachers, and hope all of our teachers will cooperate with TLCs. And if anyone have any issues related to the contents, provided by TLC Tezpur University, then they can ask through WhatsApp as well as through Google Classroom too. And we are positive that we will learn so many things from you. Thank you, Madam. Thank you, Subhrangshu Shekhar sir, for your positive response. And we are actually hopeful that in the coming days, we will collaborate different programs. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Surajit Saikia. I also request one thing that we have sessions in vernacular language like Assamese.
Okay.
For the teacher who are not much comfortable in English for the hands-on practice, if you wish to watch those sessions, say for example, Google Classroom, the first technical session, the same session we have the narration is in Assamese. So if you like to watch the session, then we can also release that version of Google Classroom also. If you wish. Okay, if also participants request, then we will upload the session in Assamese. The sessions are in Assamese.
Definitely.
For English days, according to the schedule, you will all have recorded sessions. Only on Friday, we will have live interaction session with participants, and after that feedback and valedictory, we will come live in that session. We will discuss about the sessions that you have gone through, and we will discuss also your queries, your suggestions, and any problem or challenges that you are facing while practicing the use of ICT tools. So I request all of you to watch our sessions very patiently, and then you will get provide your feedback in Classroom and WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group to our Classroom অনবৰতে on থাকিবই। আপোনালোকে আপোনালোকৰ সমস্যাসমূহ বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ কমেন্টস আপোনালোকে তাত দিব পাৰিব, আৰু আমি তাৰ ৰিপ্লাই দিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম। আশা কৰো আপোনালোকৰ যিখিনি পৰামৰ্শ বা আমাৰ সেশন বিলাক আৰু ভাল কৰিবৰ কাৰণে যিখিনি আপোনালোকে মন্তব্য আগবঢ়াব, সেইখিনিও আমাক সহায় কৰিব। এতিয়া 10 বাজিছে, আপোনালোকে এই লাইভ সেশনটো ইয়াতে শেষ হোৱাৰ পাছত গুগল ক্লাছৰুমত আপোনালোকে জয়েন হৈছে ইতিমধ্যে, আৰু যিসকল এতিয়াও জয়েন হোৱা নাই কিন্তু আমাৰ এই প্ৰগ্ৰামটোত এনৰোল হৈছে, সেই সকলোকে আমি গুগল ক্লাছৰুমত যাবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনাইছো। আৰু তাত ইতিমধ্যে 10 বজাৰ লগে লগে আমাৰ শিডিউল কৰি থোৱা আছে, তাত সেশনটো আপলোড হৈছে, সেইখিনি আপোনালোকে চাব পাৰিব। নেক্সট আমাৰ একৰ্ডিং টু শিডিউল টাইম, আমি সেই টাইমত গুগল ক্লাছৰুমত সেশন বিলাক এটা পিছত এটাকৈ আপলোড কৰিম। আজি যেনেকৈ আমাৰ দুটা সেশন আছে, কাইলৈ ঠিক তেনেদৰে এটা সেশন থাকিব। তাৰপিছত আপোনালোকক আমি এক্টিভিটিজ দিম, সেইখিনি আপোনালোকে প্ৰেক্টিচ কৰিব। ইয়াকে কৈ আমাৰ এই ইনঅগ্ৰেল ইন্ট্ৰডাকচন সেশনটো আমি শেষ কৰিবলৈ লৈছো। প্ৰিন্সিপাল গড়গাঁও কলেজ ডক্টৰ সব্যসাচী মহন্ত ডাঙৰীয়ালৈ আমি কৃতজ্ঞতা প্ৰকাশ কৰিছো। আমাৰ এই ওয়াৰ্কশ্বপটো পাতিবৰ কাৰণে সন্মতি প্ৰদান কৰিলে, আৰু লগতে সমূহ শিক্ষক গড়গাঁও কলেজৰ সমূহ শিক্ষকলৈ আমাৰ আন্তৰিক কৃতজ্ঞতা আৰু ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছো। আপোনালোকৰ আন্তৰিকতা আৰু আপোনালোকৰ সহযোগিতা আমি বিচাৰিছো এই ওয়াৰ্কশ্বপটো সাফল্যমণ্ডিত হোৱাৰ বাবে। চৰকাৰ ছাৰলৈ ধন্যবাদ জনাই আমাৰ এই সেশনটো ইয়াতে সামৰিছো। ধন্যবাদ।